Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBird143. You are watching Facebook tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to post the ads to sell our items on Facebook Marketplace. When we want to sell something on Marketplace, we need to create a public listing that can be seen by anyone on Marketplace and in Newsfeed, search and other places on Facebook. Log into the Facebook, come to the Marketplace in the left column on Facebook homepage. Click on it to open. And in this we need to create a new listing to sell our item. For that, click on create new listing. Here it is showing different listing types. I want to sell my used mobile, so click on item for sale. Before proceed to creating a listing, make sure that you got your products photos. Always it is better to take item photos in different angles. To upload the item photos, click on add photos, browse the photos. To select multiple photos, by holding Ctrl or Shift button, select the photos you want and click on open. We can also upload the photos directly from our phone. After this, let's enter a title. Select the price. To mark item as free, simply enter 0 as the price. Here I want to add 7,000 rupees and choose the category it belongs to. After that, select the condition. Select the device name. Just for example, I'm selecting Samsung Galaxy S9 and type the product description. After that, select the location and select the availability. Either we have single item or multiple items. One thing, remember that marketplace items are public and can be seen by everyone on or off the Facebook. And the items like animals, drugs, weapons, counterfeits and other items that infringe intellectual property are not allowed on marketplace. If you want, we can check the commerce policies before publishing this. And in right panel, we can check our item image and product information. After adding all the details, finally click on publish. Sometimes publish button is grayed out. That means we have not entered the information that is required. And in future, if you want to edit the details of this item, come to your account and click on your listings. Click on three dots next to the listing you want to edit. In this, select edit listing option. Again, we will come into the listing, enter the item details and then click on update option. Before it is publishing into the marketplace, this listing is being reviewed. And if you want to mark it as pending, click on three dots, select to mark as pending option. After this, if you want to delete this listing, click on delete listing option. And here we got the notification to continue our listing. On marketplace, we need to verify our phone number. Like this, we can post the ads to sell our items on Facebook Marketplace. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITBird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.